The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2023 Mercedes-Benz GLB 5-door SUV with the raised rail. We've just installed the Yakima JetStream TimberLine base roof rack system. So that consists of the JetStream load bar, 50 inches in length, and the TimberLine towers, which come in a set of 4. So together they have a weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed and a maximum crossbar spacing of up to 60.5 inches. So really a great system for all sorts of cargo, bikes, kayaks, pretty much you name it. So this is just a quick look at this system. For more details, pricing, and easy ordering of this complete bundle, please click on the link in the description below, and that'll take you back to our website where you can purchase this whole bundle with just a few clicks. So that's it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.